All right, we're gonna build a simple workflow right now that sends you content ideas every morning automatically. You need to do a few things. Go to a website called N8n. This is where you can do your workflow. You actually build your system. Then you need to have an intelligence engine open. If you want to use Claude or ChatGPT, you got to have one of those open so you can go back and forth with it. Here we are on a blank workflow. You're going to want to go into N8n and you click add first step. When you want to run something automatically, you always got to add a schedule trigger. This is just saying it's going to run every day and you're going to set it to whatever time you want. We're going to do just 6 a.m. just for the example's sake. And we're going to run it every day, execute the step. There you go. Already the first one's done. All right, for node 2, you need to do an RSS feed. And you're just going to want to paste a Google News URL for whatever niche you're using. I'm going to use personal finance. So I've got this from Google News. This is going to pull fresh articles every single day for free. By the way, I got this URL from Claude. There you go. We already have our output. Node number 2 is done. Now this is where we have our AI actually come in. We're going to add an open AI node. You're going to want to message a model. When you open this, you do have to have your credentials from your own account hooked up. So set up your account, get your credential. We're going to do a text. We want to message a model. We're just going to use one of the regular models for this that's affordable. We're going to have 2 texts. We need to have a system text and we need to have a user text. The system text is essentially the prompt that you're giving the AI. And as you see, I literally got this from Claude. I'm copying that. I'm going right back over to my workflow. I'm just literally pasting that prompt right there. And then instead of content creator, I'm just going to insert personal finance content creator. That's my niche that I'm testing here. So there we go, it's updated. And for the user message, how we're gonna want it to look on our end, I also have that code right here from Claude. Copy that back to my workflow, insert that on the user, and as you see, this is done. So I have 3 nodes already. I'm gonna wanna send this somewhere, right? Let's do Gmail, let's go to, we're gonna send a message. You gotta have your Gmail account hooked up right here as well. Go ahead and do that. For the resource, we wanna do a message. Our operation, we wanna send it. We're going to add our email, of course. Subject, I'm just going to do a daily brief. This is going to be my content video, my content idea every day. In the Gmail message field, we're going to want to add this code that, sort of gives us the output from the OpenAI node. Now we just need to execute it and see if this works. And that's it. I just got the email right here. We can see, this is our morning brief. Like I said, guys, this is a basic setup. This is nothing crazy or super advanced, but I do want to show you that average people can now automate their content. You don't have to be a coder to do this anymore. This is more like you need to know how to understand what's happening and how to move things around as the central agent. And you can use AI for yourself. Give me a follow if you found some value in this video, and I'll keep making more every week.